The next task is to extend, the next task is to extend this code so that it will tell the user how many minutes and tests they were billed for. Yeah? And how many of these billable minutes and costs and the test cost them. And you need to display the overall bills as well. So I'm just going to do, which of these variables are we supposed to print out?
Total cost of minutes.
So I'll put total cost of test. And we do the same for minutes, right? Yep, just 2 lines of code to add to it. Okay, because 230 is still within the allowance, so they don't have to pay anything for the test. Give you some time to complete your code. Make sure you've completed your code and save it. I'll resume the recording. It says to show them the chargeable minutes and then the chargeable test, right? So somewhere in here, we can add some typing to say chargeable minutes. And assign that to 0, and you have the same for test. But I'm not going back.
That's the third one, the same one, and it's the third.
Hmm?
I think it's a different problem.
No, because we've got which ones the total cost in terms of minutes and then the total cost in terms of test.
Yes.
But we don't really know how many of the minutes were chargeable yet.
Oh.
So we want to print to them how many minutes were chargeable, how many tests were chargeable, because they still got some free allowance, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've added 2 variable chargeable minutes and then chargeable test. So what we can do when the minutes is greater is to calculate the chargeable minutes. And that's the difference, isn't it? That'll be equal to the minutes minus the free minutes. Which means we can pretty much replace the next line. Oh, did I put? So we can improve the code and replace this with chargeable minutes. Yeah? Because chargeable minutes is just a difference. The same, we do the same for the chargeable test. Then chargeable test times 7. Debola, doesn't make sense. Yeah. All right. So it means that printing too, we can do something with it. Actually, I can put and say chargeable minutes are chargeable. It's a word. Yeah. So where the person was within the allowance, the chargeable staff were 0, so they pay 20,000. I'll pause the recording here.